Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this puff stitch and is up to you for edge if you want to use rib or any kind of other edge. But for the pattern, what we have to do, we are going to start by knit all stitches. This is going to be the first row. Because for this pattern we need to have 8 rows. Repeat. We're going to knit all stitches. The other row we pull all stitches. It means we are going to repeat the normal knitting for 4 rows. Let me just do also this row. We are going to pull all stitches and we repeat 2 more rows and I'll be back. If you look at here, I knitted 4 rows, 1 2 3 4, and as I told you, for this pattern we need to have multiple of 4 plus 1. Now we are in row 5. What we are going to do, we are going to take the first one and knit 3 like that. Then I'm going to take out these stitches for 4 times. I say 1 2 3 and 4. Then I insert my needle again in the stitches, and then if you look at here, I'll take all and try to grab the yarn like this, and then I repeat by knit 3, the next stitch, take it out, 1 2 3 and 4. Then I take the stitch again, insert the needle inside and try to grab the yarn like this. Repeat again, knit 3, 1 2 3 and 4. And we repeat the pattern until the end of the row by knit 3, if it's not easy for you, you can use needle 1 2 and 3, and this is the last one, 1 2 3 4. Then at the end of the row you are going to have left 3 edges. We are going to knit, and the last one as a edge. As you can see here, the first bobble or puff appear. Then row 6 is we are going to just normal pull all stitches. is the back side of the work, and this is the front side. Now from this row and 2 more rows, I'm going to just knit normal. It means one row knit all stitches, and the other row pull all stitches, and I'll be back. As you can see here, again I knitted 4 rows. If you look at this stitch, the long one, and you can see here 1 2 3 4, I already knit 4 rows, and in this pattern this bubble now should come in the middle of these two. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one, knit only one, and then for the next one I'm going to start to make the pattern by take it for 1 2 3 and 4, and then knit 1, then knit 3, and repeat the pattern in this one 1 2 3 4, then grab the yarn like this, 1 2 3, knitting. As you can see here, the one comes here, I take it, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 stitches. The first one, 1 2 3 4. I repeat the pattern until the end of the row. As you can see here, at the end of the row you have 3, you have to do the pattern also here. And the last two, just we are going to knit. When you go to the next row and pull all stitches, then repeat 3 more rows like just normal knitting, and again start the pattern like row 5. If we repeat these rows, we are going to have a bobble stitches. Let me just show you how it looks like. As you can see here, now you have proof stitch like that. If you could keep continue the pattern again like this row and this row, after few rows you are going to have the pattern like this. This is the front side of the work, and this is the back side. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.